All right, gang, let me show you the goods today. Let me show you the fun stuff. Let me give you a little bit of feedback today. One of the things we've got a little bit of a project going on for tensioned cable up some stairs and along a run of hallway, an upstairs hallway. And we want that tensioned cable look, and this is where these come in. These are the Quick Connect cable railing kits. This one's made by Bolt Dropper. And this is for, the one I'm specifically using is for the 1/8 inch cable. And so you're looking at that high tensile braided steel cabling, and if that's the look you're going for, let me show you what this kit has and why it is so genius. This kit comes with the ability for you to do this on 10 different pieces, so you might need more or less of these depending on how big, how many cables you're running, but it is a pair one of these for each side, and there's a tensioning side and a quick connect side. And so what you do is you start with this side here, and this works with both metal and wooden frames. You start with this side here, run your aircraft cable through here, crimp it, and you keep this just barely screwed in, and then you run your cable through all of the rails that you need to run it through. And then on the other side, I don't know if you can see this, but there is an insert point right here where you're able to insert this in and through and crimp as well. And you're gonna do this, you're gonna measure this out properly. It's got instructions with it. But once you do that, it allows you to go back to this other side and using an Allen wrench, continue to tighten to get that nice, crisp, taut look that you are going for. Tightens all the way down, pulling the tension on this until the steel cable is just as taut as you want it. It does come with end caps if you need those or want those to snap on the ends of these, depending on the kinds of posts. Each set also comes with this little tool here that slides and clips over the aircraft cable so that you can release it from this side, the quick connect side, because once it goes in, it's kind of like a Chinese finger trap. It traps it inside of there, making it nearly impossible to get out unless you have this little tool to release the spring tension on it. Listen, if you're gonna be doing one of these cable railing systems up some stairs or down a hallway or anything like that, you need a good system, and I think this is the way to go. It's made by Bolt Dropper. Check it out.